Welcome to Mama Ely Secret. Today topic we'll be talking about shaming. Yes. Shaming. I know people that they shame people then now, even for social media. They go shame you for some kind way, my sister. You go get something go happen for your life, you know even one post them. People they go shame you because say you post your massage picture. People they go shame you because say you post your in the picture. People they go shame you because you do something or you call yourself a name. Person go shame you because you call yourself a queen. Yes. I fix the camera up. See my face because this is very it vexes me because of the kind shaming where person go shame you for trade it happen for you being that thing that person they pray for every day and night, but it go see and happen for you even for rejoice with you so that may God bless you too. No, it go she don't shame you. Now don't notice some people they shame people then because no think them need they don't get those things and you need to work out for them. But my sister, I want to tell you say today we'll talk about how for give up on that, how for give it back people will shame you, and how for recover if you don't live on this toxic shaming. Yes, how for recover from this toxic shaming. We will start by first I would define it to be guilt, shame and toxic shaming. These three things now we'll talk about today. If you want to know the detail, stay after my intro because it go hot. Yes, it go hot. I go put everything for down. We go recover from this shaming matter. We'll start by what to be guilt. Guilt now when you make a mistake. That one a guilt. You don't make a mistake, you are like na guilt when you make a mistake. Shaming when a other person say you make mistake. And then toxic shaming now. Now when that other person talks say you make mistake, say you make mistake and you start believe what that person talk and then you live according to what the person talk. Yes. Today as I talk, we will talk about how for give up this shaming, this guilt. Where if now you think you make mistake, we'll talk about how to give them up. And then if now person talk them where the shame, we'll talk how to give them back for them or send them back for them. Yes. And then if you live on inside toxic shaming, you know how to recover from this toxic shaming. So some of this shaming them sometimes you know even stand out today, it stand out from our parents them, you know, where you know when you be small, you know get control for a lot of things. So one day during our teacher them time would they small, you go school, you know when if you remember back those days being in school, teacher no one tell you something, you go tell you no. Teacher the job will come to class, tell me stand up, or they tell me stand up for assembly in front of like 500 people, and then they just flog you, just insult you, just all those things them. But I want to tell you see that na l'époque today we adults. I love being an adult. Because you know I need to take any bullshit. That's one thing being an adult. You need to take any bullshit from anybody. Yes. Even now who call you, they talk of you, one time. My sister, you hang up that photo. Then my man buy your phone for you, then my man put you airtime credit. So you freak being an adult, you can control what goes in here and what stays. If you control it, it go inside here and wait for square we go stay for here. And wait to go keep up for here. wetin go keep am for your heart. This thing dem na thing the way our friends dem, our teacher, our parents dem dey talk for we. And I don't know, shaming e don be for some kind way like, especially nowadays with social media and everything, where sometimes you say maybe you go post on your thing, person go glad, you know, but people will shame you with it. Something with you and say, oh, okay, now my pikin this my post my pikin, they go shame you. Ha! That girl, since we he born, man need to drink water. That one, since we he married, man need to drink water, put cup down. That one, he call himself a queen. That one, they call himself a jebota. That one, they say be slave queen. That one, they say be boss. He be boss. He be decent mama. He be Gucci mama. All the name the people that they call him. People will shame you for what you feel about. How you feel about yourself. It make people shame you for that. People will shame you because you love your husband. You guys are having great time and you're posting it. It pain them. My sister, you be witch. You be witch where no one see happiness. And if you don't notice a man, if you get some person where they text, the person will text you, say, how are you doing? I'm doing great. My sister, take notes, that text will end. Because he does say people they don't like or see person in happiness. If person try, my sister, if person has to say how are you doing, say I'm doing great, if that conversation will continue. But if they text you, my sister, you start complaining, that conversation it will take 3 hours. I say 3 hours it will take them. Because now wait till people they want. Now wait till people they want. Person no one see another person. Person if you know they no one see another person. Like say anybody get definition. You fit define wait till where you want be. If I say I be queen for my kingdom. If I say I be a jebota, you know no play where I come out. You know no my suffer. My level where they if not so I decide say I define the ajebota. If you think I know be ajebota, waka they go. Yes, waka they go. As I talk say this, so one thing I like about adulthood, because if you decide what for take and what not for take. My sister, if you continue the way you do one for life, no leave and make people they hold you accountable for that. If you be do something for past, now you define your present. If before, some people go even hold you accountable for kind of way maybe God don't even forgive you for. They go still drag you for. Maybe you were a prostitute back then and you don't give your life for Christ. And God Almighty don't forgive you. You live your life. Some people they still hold you for back for that. Or maybe you commit some abortion. Yes, God don't even forgive you. God don't forgive you. So they don't even bless you past the goal. Some people they still hold you against that. And so they carry them for hate. They waka they carry a pass for hate. All I need the heavy for their head, I don't know. All I need the heavy for their head, I don't know. But one thing I want to say this, so guilt na verdict. It is nothing what you do, na mistake what you do, and now you decide if you feel say you feel fix them, my sister, fix them. But if you think say you know fix them, apologize. If you na mistake to do a person, apologize, my sister. And if you know if you go, let it go. Something them you know if you change them. If people you know if you change them, there are things you can change. Let it go. And another thing I say, as I talk, You no need for the waka with this guilt for your head, my sister. There are ways. If you over heavy for you, you don't know where for put them for down or where for talk. My sister, talk for Papa God. Talk for Papa God. He go forgive you your sins and you go waka the go. No care about the one the way they carry and for back now them sabi. If judgment they, I don't know what God go ask them about your sin. No. So no let this worry you. If you can't fix it about guilt, if you can't fix the guilt, let it go. Let it go. Yes. Because the truth be na say now who would make our body feel the way you want to feel. If you decide say you want to feel sad, you feel sad. If you decide say, you know, some person just talk, because if on sometimes you just watch some movie, you just go vex. Now you don't decide for vex. The people they make that movie, they don't make their money, they don't pack, they don't go. You decide for vex. If you decide for you after from phone call, if you decide the person talk or you holla you drink your memory, you don't you quiet. If you decide say this one, after that phone call you continue to knock your head like for 5 hours. That one now you sabi. Now you sabi. But as I talk say this so one way now you make am, if you let it go. But one way na person they talk about say a mistake we make am. My sister, leave and make the carry am for their head too. Leave them make the carry am for your head. No, let it be with you. If you think I am this, my sister, keep thinking. Keep thinking. Use leave and make them talk about it. It entertain them. Just entertain them. And another thing I say is something to worry you. If you think a person is post, they worry you. My sister, move that person for your number. If you think say person this phone call, anytime person call this phone call, each time I receive this phone call, it make your nerve this time make pum. My sister, block the number. When that number call, no pick am. When that number call, no pick am. If not by force for pick am. We are adult. We free do it the way you want. Person way you no like na imbanga na I oye. Yes. Person way no like na imbanga na I oye. Toxic shaming. My sister, don't let what the people they talk about you. Take some mirror. Look yourself well. Like this mirror. Look yourself well. No ever tell yourself something where you don't want to make it happen. When you did think, no ever tell yourself something where, because you do a mop so no. Do a mop so. See, the mop. Anything you talk, I go happen. So my sister, while you move and for the mop or you just remain silent, no ever tell yourself something where you don't want to make it actualize. No ever tell you no want to make it's some magic man make a make they realize. Tell your team, tell yourself you want to make it happen. No ever tell yourself, damn, I'm broke. You will be broke. No ever tell yourself you no want to make it happen. No ever tell yourself that kind of talk them. Talk for yourself positively. Look yourself. I am a queen. I am queening. I am beautiful. I am capable. I am ready. I am blessed and highly favored. I love myself. Look that self inside mirror. I love myself. You are beautiful. You are queening. Mama Ely, you are queening. Yes. Always look yourself in your mirror and give yourself positive thoughts. My dear, nobody no fit talk good thing about you. Tell yourself good things. If nobody feel love you, love yourself. As na this during this quarantine time, so make we take that time, use them positively. Sit down with yourself, examine yourself, ask yourself, where are they? Wait till I don't leave and make people they talk about me, they walk up from my head. My sister, as I talk, say if you know if you fix that, let it go. Any person want think about you, na their mbanga, na their oil. Make you no worry you. Let them make them think. If they no get think or think about your life, na another, na your own life they want think about them. Na them sabi. The life na one. If they want use their own one life, would they get them for think about your own life? Na them sabi. You think about your life and begin to go. Thank you for watching. If you think say this video you like them, don't forget to leave comment, tell me what you think, and if you not get topic the one I want to talk, leave and too for comment at there for comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because say for here we'll keep on view and 100. Yes. So stay tuned for my next video, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's say Mama Ely.